Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of social psychology. The first question is EC is a term frequently applied to the education of young children from birth to age dash. Here given options are A6, B8, C4, D10. Your correct answer is option B, 8. Next question. Establishing dash is the first step to make plans for any program. Given options are A goals, B objectives, C aims, D none of these. Your correct answer is option A goals. Next question. The cornerstone on which all other Montessori principles rest is dash for the child. Given options are A love, B dignity, C care, D respect. Your correct answer is option D respect. Our next question. No dash lessons are given in Montessori method. Given options are A individual, B self-constructed, C group, D self-evaluated. Your correct answer is option C group. Next question. When a person has recurrent and unwanted ideas and impulses, it is called dash. Given answers are option A anxiety, B depression, C obsessions, D none of these. The correct answer is option C obsessions. Next question. Dash is known as the father of behaviorism. So behaviorism, father of behaviorism. Given options are A Watson, B Pavlov, C Skinner, D Chomsky. So here correct answer is option A Watson. Watson is known as the father of behaviorism. Next question. This is the basis of community development projects. Given options are A self-evaluation, B self-understanding, C self-help, D all of these. Your correct answer is option C self-help. Next question. By age 3, the brain has reached almost this percent of its total adult weight. Given options are A 65, B 75, C 55, D 85. The correct answer is B 75. Next question. Childhood is the ideal age for learning this skill. Given A motor, B social, C emotional, D cognitive. The correct answer is option A motor. Next question. Before 4 years of age, children are not developmentally capable of controlling their dash. Your given options are A skills, B thoughts, C emotions, D language. Your correct answer is option C emotions. Thank you.